Hello, this is Deborah, and I want to share some information with you all today, particularly for parents and possibly even grandparents. One of the things I know today that's on many parents' minds, and that is how are we going to be able to afford college for our kids when they're ready to go. A lot of people now are looking at the economy. They're looking at how expensive college is today, and the thought of thinking how much it will be once their child is ready to go is leaving them with the question, how in the world are we going to be able to afford to send our kids to school? Well, I want to tell you about something I found out about that a lot of parents are doing to help make sure that they have the money when their children are ready to go to school. Now, I know a lot of you probably have heard about the 529B program, I think it is, that you can put funds into. The government will even give you a tax deduction for it. But to me, that program is restrictive because if your child for some reason decides not to further their education, all of those taxes you save, they got to be given back. But a lot of parents now are using insurance to actually fund their children's college education. There is an insurance out there that has a benefit called cash accumulation. And what that is, it allows you to grow funds inside of that policy that you can access for any reason. You can grow literally thousands of dollars inside of that policy and never have to be restricted on how it's used. You can use it for the child's college education, to buy their first car, to buy their home, even to start their own business. You can use it for any reason that you would want to use those funds for. Another great benefit of that program is that it is non-taxed money. That means if they decide not to go to school, no taxes. You don't ever pay any taxes on it. I just want to give you a heads up on that. There's a lot of other benefits to that program, and what I'm going to do is make a video on some of the other benefits of it, because I think every parent needs to know about this. I call it giving your child a head start. So, feel free to give me a call if you want to know more details about it. I give all the information to you. You can reach me at 757-368-6127, or feel free to give me an email at Maxis, that's MAXIS 29 @yahoo.com. We'll be talking to you later.